Hi guys, welcome to my creepy cloud clown makeup tutorial based on the cloud trend that's going around at the moment. Stay tuned if you want to see how I did this. So firstly I went into the Mehron Pastel palette and I went into the pink and blue shades and I painted stripes down my neck so it looked like a clown's ruffle neck. I then went into the white aqua colour and using a Real Techniques kabuki brush I applied this evenly all over my face. I then set this with the Ben Nye Super White Powder as it makes it look a bit smoother and makes it easier to apply other makeup. I then went back into the pastel pink shade and I painted on these areas under the eye, which is where I wanted to have a bit of the sky cloud effect, and I also went back into the blue and kind of contoured around the top of my face with it. I then went into the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette and went into this lilac shade and I contoured my nose, and I also used that as the colour on my eyelids so that all the pastel colours blended in together. I then went into this turquoise colour and I contoured my cheekbones. The best way I found to paint clouds is I use Diamond FX white paint on quite a fine brush and I paint in the typical cloud shape on the top and then I blend it in a bit with my finger, and then once it's dry I go in with a bit more white along the top to make it stand out a bit more. I then went into the colour Sunset Yellow by Diamond FX and added stars to the pink area of the neck, and I do this by holding some pressure into the centre and then flicking the 5 different points, and I found that a really easy way to make stars. And then I went into the purple colour from the pastel palette and I painted on a love heart nose, and I did this a bit ombre and made it a bit lighter in the centre by adding some white. I realised I needed to make it a bit more clowny, so I added the typical clown diamond shapes and I did those in white, and then I went in and added some yellow. I went into this dark blue shade and I added a bit of definition to the stripes on the neck, and I also deepened the contour with this colour as well. Follow my new glitter brand on Instagram, it's the glitterlab_, and these are my personal made mixers which I will be selling. And you know me, I can't resist adding glitter to any look, so I added glitter to the ends of the neck area. Using a mix of dark purple and pink paints, I painted in a typical oversized clown mouth and then I filled that in. And that is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe. I've got some really cool looks coming up for Halloween, and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave that down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.